I want to talk about the number one branding mistake professional entrepreneurs make and how to fix it. Let's talk about this branding misstep that keeps professional entrepreneurs from attracting high-value clients. They make their brand all about themselves instead of what they actually do for their clients. And your brand isn't just your name, it's not your logo or your website, it's not your colors. That's part of your brand, and it's not even just your personal story. It's actually the foundation to positioning your business for all of your marketing. It's how people are attracted to your business. They see that you're for them. They see what it is you do, and there's clarity around what you are known for and what you're so exceptional at doing. One of the things I see entrepreneurs do is they make their brand more about them, about their characteristics, about who they are, and not as much about what it is they really want to be known for in the market. So yes, you may be friendly, and yes, you may be energetic, and all of those things are great, and they'll come into your brand as people get to know you, but they're not going to be the thing that's going to help you really grow your business. People don't buy you, they buy results. And if you can't show clearly the results, the outcome, the transformation that you provide to people in the marketplace, well, then they're not really going to buy from you. They might like you, they'll love you, they may even follow you, but it doesn't mean they're going to buy from you. So your journey is important, but what people really care about is what you can do for them. They care about that more than who you are and what you've done. They want to know your credentials. They want to know you're trustworthy. They want to know you're credible, right? You want to know those things when you're looking for someone to work with. But they first want to know how you solve their problem, or if you solve their problem, or they want to know if you can fill a need or a desire. That's what drives business. See, when you're building a powerful brand, when you're building up that powerful brand positioning, it's all about the client, and you are secondary. Yes, there's this outside perception, right, that you're credible and you're trustworthy, and all of that is great. But if your message, if what you are known for isn't something that's going to resonate with your ideal buyers, well, they're going to pass you over, and they're going to pass you over for other people. So if your branding is too focused on you and who you are rather than what you do, you're going to miss the mark, and you're going to lose business. And you may not even know that you're losing business, which is the crazy thing, right? People will just pass you over for the competition because they'll think that you're not for them. So instead of saying that you have 20 years in the industry, try this. I help X ideal clients achieve a specific outcome in, maybe you say a shorter time frame, with a unique method. Let me repeat that. Instead of saying I have 20 years of experience in the financial industry, try this. I help this type of client, say who that is, achieve this type of an outcome in this kind of time frame with this type of method. That is how you will really establish a powerful brand position in the market, and then you can really build off of that. You could try this. Instead of I'm passionate about helping people, try this. Here's how my clients achieve X result without, maybe there's a pain. Okay, a good example of this is, here's how my clients achieve adding 7 figures to their business without working 100 hours a week, without working 40 hours a week, without working 20 hours, even 20 hours a week. Those would be more powerful positions. Your brand should immediately signal value, and it should make your market think, this is exactly what I need. And then everything builds that up. It's the foundation before you even market your business. So listen, don't miss the mark. Don't make your brand about you. If you want to be the number one choice in your industry, if you want to attract more buyers, if you want to be chosen over your competitors, over competition, and if you want to get paid more money, then you have got to look like the expert and the authority. And that starts with powerful brand positioning that is more about the clients than it is about you. You are the credibility. You are the person that they're going to do business with. But if they don't think that what you do is for them, they're not going to do business with you. So don't make this common mistake, especially if you're trying to grow your business. Now, if you're an employee of a company, then your brand is going to be more about you, right? It's going to be more of a personal brand. But if you're trying to grow your business, don't make this common mistake. And I see so many amazing experts and entrepreneurs doing this. So I hope you found this helpful. I would love to know what you're doing to influence your market, in your brand, in your positioning. How can I see, if I look at you, how you're the go-to expert? And yes, I'm sure you're friendly. Yes, I'm sure you're amazing and energetic, but I really want to know, can you help me fix my problem? Or what is it you do? Would you be for me? That's how you want to shift your brand, and that's how you want to position yourself in the market. What do you want to be known for? If you go and look at me and you look at everything that I've done, you're going to see that I help expert entrepreneurs really build a powerful brand, influence their market, and bring in really high-end premium clients to add multiple 6 and even multiple 7 figures to their business. So this is what I'm known for. You can see testimonials around it. I've written books around it. I have a lot of content out there around it. I'm consistently training and teaching around how I do that, what my method is. And this is what you want to be doing too. If you want to drive more revenue in your business, if you want to grow your business by 3 to 10 times, then you've got to step up your game, level up what you're doing. And more than anything, you've got to get the attention of the people that will want to do business with you. And that starts with not making these branding mistakes, but understanding what makes a powerful brand and powerful brand positioning. And that is different. So let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear your thoughts, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I release new content all the time. God bless you. Have an amazing day. And if you need to position your brand more powerfully in the market and bring in those premium high-end clients, book a call with me at acarden.com and let's have a chat. You have an amazing day. Bye-bye.